So XRP is doing some incredible things right now from a price standpoint. And what's interesting is this is all coinciding with some major breakouts across the crypto market. And we are now on the verge of this up only season, a time where XRP stands to benefit even more than it is right now. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So understand that, I had some people ask me, why isn't XRP doing it well over the last 12 hours or so? And understand that XRP from this consolidation range right around our breakout, it did about a 50% run. All right. So we are in fact going to see some profit taking. We're going to see a little bit of resistance. XRP right now is trying to set a new all-time high. Obviously, there's some discrepancies between different platforms. Obviously, there's different varying prices from platform to platform, from centralized exchanges to DeFi. So, for example, if we look at this XRP chart here, we're seeing XRP setting a new all-time high yesterday, while on something like CoinMarketCap, for example, it doesn't have XRP at a new all-time high yet. So we'll obviously have to see. We're going to get an XRP new all-time high confirmation sometime in the near term, I believe. And a big reason why this is in fact happening is we are seeing breakouts throughout the crypto space. So, for example, BTC broken out of its trend currently. This is a very strong sign. It's actually on the verge of setting a new higher high here, which actually I think it did. 1027, 1029. Yeah, so BTC actually setting a slightly higher high, actually almost confirming a reversal here. We'll see how this plays out over the course of the next day or two. But that is obviously helping create a lot of excitement across the crypto market. We're still seeing the altcoin index on the rise currently. We are starting to see assets outside of BTC gain ground versus BTC. This is a very strong sign. We're seeing volume pick up across the crypto market, but what we're also seeing breakouts is in the altcoin indexes. So, for example, on the total two, we are starting our breakout here as well. So this is all assets outside of BTC. And there always comes a similar point every market cycle where this finishes its time of consolidation. It finishes its time of essentially sideways trading, and we get our breakout. For example, last market cycle, as we were trying to fight out of this essentially ascending triangle that we were in here, right around the end of January is when we made our next extension, and we saw assets go on big runs. The total three, big breakout taking place here. So we saw the same thing happen on the total three as well last market cycle. So all assets outside of BTC and Ethereum, you guys can see a very similar trend here, fighting that ascending triangle that it was in. And then we got our major break. So we may be seeing this exact same moment start now. Understand that we still have inauguration in 3 days. Maybe we get a little bit of a wild card heading into that moment. But what this will bring is retail excitement. It'll bring adoption to the space and more surges in price. Now, understand that, XRP still has a lot of open interest. We see a lot of open interest across the space. Understand that we still need institutional money to be our best friend here. We still need to see them buying and trying to push BTC prices higher. And really what we need across the market is, again, adoption. We need the new people coming into the space. We need to see us start climbing into that 6, 7, 8% of the world in crypto. And that's what's supposed to happen in the early part of this year. So understand this is still January, still the most exciting times. We should see some of our next, at least cool downs are going to be March, April, May. Historically speaking, that's when that happens. But all signs are looking really good across the market. That's what you need to know. Now, that doesn't mean that there's not going to be red days. It doesn't mean that there's not going to be profit taking or 20, 30, 40% retracements along the way. There will be. But right now, XRP is a huge narrative in this space. It's doing incredibly well. Amongst the top gainers over the last 90 days, it's like number 7 currently. So despite being a multi-billion-dollar asset, I think it's time that we almost have to start talking about the potential of the flippening approaching. Because although ETH is making up some ground, XRP is blowing it out of the water currently. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Are we about to see this massive break across the crypto market? Is this where up only season begins? And what is this going to do to XRP price? So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.